So while Mattie May has adopted the kittens, they're still struggling to nurse with Mattie May. So I come in and feed them multiple times a day. This is just one of the cutest things I've ever seen. I know your children's things right here. There you go. It's right there. It's right there. The good news is that when kittens or babies like this and you bottle feed them, their mom naturally would lick them to help them use the bathroom. And if you're bottle feeding them, you have to do all of that yourself with warm cotton balls or something of that nature, which is not the most fun part of bottle feeding a baby animal. So, with Mattie May taking them in as her own, she does that part. So I just do the feeding part and she does the rest. It actually looks like the other kitten might be nursing right now. First time I've been watching them to see if they'll nurse from her, and so far they haven't been able to, but you're still eating. Your belly's getting so cute. Your little belly's getting so cute. That is one full little belly right there. I know you still think you're hungry, but you ate a lot.
It's been about 2 full days since Mattie May has started taking care of the kittens, and everything seems to be going really well. Honestly, I think the kittens are her favorite puppies, and they both seem to be eating from her. I'm still supplementing with the bottle just to make sure they're getting enough, because she has some chunky little puppies and they are taking most of her milk from what I can see. So we just want to make sure that they're getting plenty of nutrients. Now, she is doing a great job of taking care of them, and she absolutely loves them to death. She doesn't want them out of her sight. So we're just going to keep monitoring everything and make sure she keeps doing a good job. If you guys would like to follow along, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we will be sure to post updates. Thanks for hanging out with us today, and we hope you guys all have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye.